Another Day, Another Story. Guns, Germs, and Steel, The Fates of Human Societies is a book by Jared Diamond that explores the factors influencing the development and success of human societies throughout history. The book, published in 1997, won the Pulitzer Prize for Nonfiction and has been highly influential in the fields of anthropology, geography, and history. In this work, Diamond explores the factors that have contributed to the differential development of human societies over time. Welcome to Tabo Eminent Channel. He argues that environmental factors, rather than inherent differences in human intelligence or ability, have played a crucial role in shaping the course of history. Guns, Germs, and Steel by Jared Diamond explores the development of human societies through the lens of geography and environmental factors. Diamond argues that the availability of domesticable plants and animals, coupled with technological advantages like metalworking, has been crucial in shaping the course of history. The book examines case studies from various regions, such as the Fertile Crescent, the impact of diseases in the Americas, and the consequences of European exploration. Diamond's multidisciplinary approach considers how geographic luck, the domestication of plants and animals, technological innovation, and other factors have influenced the rise and fall of civilizations. The book challenges traditional notions of human differences, highlighting the role of geography in shaping the fates of human societies. Here is a summary of the key points from the book. Geographic luck. Diamond argues that the availability of domesticable plants and animals played a crucial role in shaping the development of societies. Certain regions of the world had a head start in domesticating plants and animals, leading to the rise of agriculture. This geographic luck laid the foundation for complex societies. Domestication of plants and animals. The ability to domesticate plants and animals was a key factor in the development of agriculture. Diamond explores how some regions had a greater variety of easily domesticable species, providing a surplus of food and enabling the rise of settled communities. Technology and innovation. The availability of certain resources, such as metals like steel, influenced the development of tools and technologies. Advanced technologies, in turn, contributed to the success of societies in areas such as warfare, transportation, and communication. Impact of epidemics. Diamond discusses the devastating impact of infectious diseases on native populations, particularly in the Americas. The introduction of diseases by European explorers and colonizers, for which indigenous populations had little immunity, led to demographic collapse. Cultural diffusion. Diamond explores how ideas, technologies, and innovations spread among societies through cultural diffusion. Some societies were more geographically connected and thus more prone to the exchange of ideas, contributing to their development. Role of centralized government. Diamond discusses the importance of centralized government and political organization in shaping the success of societies. Effective governance and organization were crucial for managing resources, resolving conflicts, and maintaining order. Consequences of environmental factors. Environmental factors, such as climate and geography, influenced the development of societies. For example, the availability of suitable crops and the ability to store surplus food played a role in shaping agricultural societies. The overarching thesis of Guns, Germs, and Steel is that the broad patterns of human history are largely shaped by environmental and geographical factors rather than inherent differences in human intelligence or capability. Diamond's multidisciplinary approach combines insights from anthropology, archaeology, geography, and biology to provide a comprehensive analysis of the forces that have shaped the fates of human societies. Keep in mind that this is a high-level summary, and the book delves into much greater detail on each of these points, providing numerous examples and case studies to support its arguments. Geographic luck. Diamond emphasizes that not all environments are created equal. Some regions of the world, due to their geographic features and climate, were more conducive to the development of agriculture. The Fertile Crescent, for instance, had a variety of wild plants and animals that could be domesticated, kickstarting the agricultural revolution. Domestication of plants and animals. The process of domestication allowed societies to shift from nomadic lifestyles to settled agricultural communities. Diamond explores how the domestication of key plants like wheat and rice, as well as animals like horses and cattle, provided a stable food supply and surplus, enabling the growth of populations and the emergence of complex societies. Technology and innovation. Diamond looks at how certain regions had advantages in terms of the availability of raw materials, particularly metals like iron. The ability to forge tools and weapons from these materials gave some societies a technological edge. This technological advantage, in turn, played a role in the success of those societies in areas like warfare and trade. Impact of epidemics. The introduction of infectious diseases, such as smallpox and measles, by European explorers to the Americas led to catastrophic population declines among native peoples. Diamond explores how the lack of exposure to certain diseases gave Eurasian societies, particularly Europeans, a biological advantage in encounters with indigenous populations. Cultural diffusion. The book delves into how ideas, technologies, and cultural practices spread between societies. Societies that were more interconnected, either through trade or geographic proximity, were more likely to adopt and adapt innovations. This interconnectedness contributed to the complexity and development of societies. Role of centralized government. Diamond discusses the importance of political organization and governance in societal development. The ability to manage resources, resolve conflicts, and establish effective rule of law contributed to the success of certain societies. Conversely, the absence of centralized governance hindered the development of others. Consequences of environmental factors. Environmental factors, such as climate and soil quality, influenced the types of crops that could be cultivated and sustained. Diamond explores how environmental conditions shaped the development of different agricultural practices and societies. Throughout the book, Diamond draws on a wide range of examples from different parts of the world and different time periods to illustrate his arguments. From the rise of civilizations in Mesopotamia and the spread of agriculture in the Americas to the impact of European colonization, guns, germs, and steel weaves a narrative that seeks to explain the broad patterns of human history through the lens of geography and environmental factors. The book encourages readers to consider the long-term historical processes that have shaped the world we live in today. The Fertile Crescent. Diamond explores the significance of the Fertile Crescent, an arc of land that includes parts of present-day Iraq, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Jordan. This region is often considered the cradle of civilization due to its early development of agriculture. The domestication of plants like wheat and barley and animals like sheep and goats played a crucial role in the rise of complex societies in this area. Impact of animal domestication. The book examines the importance of domesticated animals in shaping human societies. Animals not only provided a source of food but also served as labor for agricultural tasks. For example, the domestication of horses enabled greater mobility and military advantages for certain societies. The role of germs in the Americas. Diamond discusses the devastating impact of diseases brought by European explorers to the Americas. Diseases like smallpox, to which Native Americans had no immunity, led to widespread epidemics and population declines. This biological factor played a significant role in the success of European colonization. Chinese innovation and isolation. Diamond contrasts the innovation and technological advancements in China with the relative isolationism that limited the spread of these technologies. While China was a center of invention, including the development of gunpowder and advanced agricultural practices, its geography and political decisions limited the diffusion of these innovations to other parts of the world. The African continent. Diamond explores the diverse environments and historical trajectories of different regions in Africa. He challenges stereotypes and discusses how the continent's vast size and varied geography led to a wide range of societies, from hunter-gatherer groups to advanced civilizations like those in Mali and Ethiopia. European exploration and colonization. The book delves into the motivations and consequences of European exploration and colonization. Diamond examines how guns, germs, and steel gave Europeans advantages in encounters with indigenous peoples, ultimately shaping the course of history through processes like the Columbian Exchange. Environmental determinism. Diamond addresses the concept of environmental determinism, emphasizing how the physical environment influenced societal development. While he acknowledges the importance of human agency and cultural factors, he argues that geography set the stage for the differential development of societies. These examples are just a glimpse of the rich tapestry of historical and anthropological evidence that Diamond weaves together in Guns, Germs, and Steel. The book encourages readers to think critically about the interconnectedness of environmental factors, geography, and human societies throughout history. Diamond's interdisciplinary approach provides a comprehensive perspective on the forces that have shaped the fates of different civilizations. The book is organized into three main sections. Guns refers to the military and technological advantages that certain societies had over others. Diamond explores how some societies developed advanced weaponry and military tactics, giving them a significant edge in conflicts. Germs focuses on the impact of diseases on human societies. Diamond discusses how the spread of infectious diseases, often unintentionally introduced by Europeans during exploration and colonization, devastated native populations in the Americas and elsewhere. Steel examines the role of technology and innovation in shaping societies. Diamond explores how the availability of resources, such as metals like steel, influenced the development of tools and technologies, contributing to the rise of some societies while hindering others. Throughout the book, Diamond draws on examples from various cultures and historical periods to support his arguments. The overarching theme is that geography and environmental factors, such as the availability of domesticable plants and animals, played a crucial role in determining the trajectories of different societies. It's important to note that this summary is based on Guns, Germs, and Steel, as there isn't a widely recognized work titled The Fates of Human Societies by Jared Diamond. If you have a different title or work in mind, please provide more information, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching. Request you to subscribe the channel.